In this video, I'm going to show you how you can move files or videos to back in Filmora. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so I have here two videos on my timeline, and I'd like to go ahead and move this video. You can see we have this video with Klaus and this one. So I'd like to go ahead and move this video to back so that I remain with the cloud video alone. And as you can see, this video is on the second video timeline here, which means it sits on top. To make this change, all you need to do is to go ahead and first select all this and then move them above like that. Once you're done, now we have an extra video timeline below here, and I'll go ahead now and select one video clip that I want to move, which is this, and then move it back like this. And now by doing so, I'll have moved the second video clip to back. So if I go ahead and play, you'll see now I only have this video clip with the sky and the eagle. So that's how you can move your video clips or files on Filmora to back from your timeline. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.